Stuck on the Apple Watch lock to owner screen and can't access your Apple Watch. This happens to millions of users every year, especially after a reset, secondhand purchase, or forgotten Apple ID. Locked to owner. Hello everyone. Welcome back to IBFTools YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best method to legally remove the iCloud activation lock from your Apple Watch, iPhone, or iPad. This method is straightforward, effective, and guaranteed to work, and doesn't require jailbreaking. So let's dive in and fix your device the right way in just minutes. Important notice, bypassing activation lock on a device you don't own without permission is illegal. This video is for educational purposes only. Apple ID is the most important thing on our iOS devices. When an Apple Watch shows locked to owner, it means the device is still linked to the previous owner's Apple ID through activation lock. This security feature protects the watch from being used by anyone else without permission. Even if the watch is erased or reset, it will still ask for the previous owner's Apple ID and password during setup. But what if you've forgotten your Apple ID password? Or for example, you can't turn off the Find My feature, or you encounter an error when verifying your Apple ID and see a screen like this. What should you do in this case? How can I get my Apple ID working again? Or try to reset it from my device? Don't worry. Today, we'll use the IBF tool to regain use of your Apple Watch. Before we get into the IBF tool, let's take a moment to look at another well-known option, 3U-Tools. Many people initially try using 3U-Tools, but find it involves tedious manual firmware flashing, driver searching, and command line operations, wasting an afternoon, and still encountering error codes. But the IBF tool is designed to simplify these operations and brings you a permanent solution without dealing with Apple ID or passwords. It is designed to help you resolve passcode issues on your Apple Watch, iPhone, and iPad, making it easier for you to regain access to your device. Download and install it. Then pair your Apple Watch to your iPhone and connect it to your computer. Launch the IBF tool and select your device type and the iOS version. Then click the right button. The IBF tool is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS. When it's done, you can set up your Apple Watch like brand new. No Apple ID, no password required. Congratulations! You have successfully removed the iCloud activation lock from your Apple Watch using IBF tool. As you can see, now the Apple Watch is fully functional. And that's it. This is how to remove Apple Watch lock to owner with IBF tool. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. The simplest and most effective solution if you don't have the Apple ID and password. Thank you very much for watching the video. If this helped, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what is the model of your Apple Watch. See you soon. Bye.